it's Dr. Lisa. I really love chewing gum. So what's the truth? Is chewing gum good for you? Or is it bad for you? People think of chewing gum as a kind of candy. It's something that, you know, when you have a sweet tooth, usually you'll chew it after a meal. Sometimes you chew it to curb your appetite. So studies have actually shown that chewing gum 20 minutes after eating a meal helps to neutralize the acids from the food in your mouth and can help prevent tooth decay. There are some sugar substitutes that have been proven to not cause cavities, like the ones listed here. When you choose your gum, you want to make sure that it has an ADA seal of approval. The ADA is the American Dental Association, and they just review a bunch of products, and they usually give a seal of approval to certain products that they have clinically tested. Some of the gums at the grocery store which have the ADA approval are Trident, Eclipse, Orbit, Icebreakers. So is chewing gum good or bad for you? The verdict is it's good for you. Next time before you buy that pack of gum, make sure it's ADA approved and sugar-free.
Don't forget to subscribe for the latest dental tips and product reviews.